Alright, good day, student. As you can see, what we have today is a cylinder, given a cylinder and also 4 congruent circles of area, 3 pi cm squared. Each can completely fill a cylindrical box as shown in figure QC13. That is it. So find the volume of the cylinder and its curved surface area. Now, what does that mean? They mean that there are 4 balls here. If you bring all these 4 balls and put in this cylinder, all of them can completely fill the cylinder, which means they say that the area of one of these similar circles is 3 pi cm squared. So you are asked to find the volume of the cylinder and its curved surface area. Now notice that the circle touches the side of this cylinder, which means you can draw the diameter of the circle, and also you can also do it this way. Here is R, here is R, here is R, and here is R for the circle. And notice that the cylinder, this is the cylinder. If here is the R, R1, that is the radius of the base radius of the cylinder. You notice that R is equals to R1. This is because it touches, and because it touches it, the equator, that is the center of this circle, is also the center of the base radius of the cylinder. In that case, we can use this idea to find the value of R, given that the radius of this area of this circle is 3 pi, and this is equals to pi r squared. So in this case, we can cancel pi, and when we do that, we have that r squared is equals to 3. That gives us r is equals to the square root of 3. In that case, r1 is also the square root of 3. Now we are told that there are 4 this similar circle that can fill the cylinder, which means the space occupied by one of the circle. If you measure the height, you have to find the height of this, the height of the cylinder. We can call it h, and then call the height of one of these circle x, so that we can find x. Notice that s is equals to 2r. X is equals to 2r for the one, for only one, which means there are 4 of them, which means 4, 1 2 3 4, which means multiply here by 4 to see the height, and multiply here by 4. You have that the height of the cylinder is equals to 8r. It's equals to 8r, and that is equals to h. So this is the first thing you have to do. We know that r is equals to root 3, and from this idea we can now find the value of h. So h is equals to 8 times root 3, and that gives us 8 root 3 cm. Now you have gotten h to be 8 root 3, and then you already know the base area of the base area of the cylinder. You can now find the volume of the cylinder. I can click here. You can now find the volume of the cylinder, because the volume of a cylinder is base area times height. The volume of a cylinder is base area times height. In this case, we have pi r square h. So we have pi, our r is the square root of 3, times height 8 root 3, and that gives us 9. Is it not? So here give us 9 pi times 8 root 3. So 9 times 8 will give us what? 9 times 8 will give us 72. So in this case, we have what? 72 pi root 3 cm cube. Is it the answer? Sorry, squaring this will give us 3. Sorry, The square root of 3 times the square root of 3 squared is 3. So that we have 3 times 8 will give us 24. So therefore, the volume of the cylinder is equals to 24 pi root 3 cm cube. Now you have gotten the volume of the cylinder. The next thing you have to solve is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is equals to 24 pi root 3 cm cube. So the next thing we have to solve is the curved surface area. Curved surface area of a cone of a cylinder is equals to what? Is equals to 2 pi r multiplying the height. 2 pi r multiplying the height. Of a cylinder is equals to 2 pi r h. So from here we have 2 times pi times r. We got r to be equals to what? We got r to be equals to what do we have as r? Root 3 times height. What do we have as our height? We have height as 8 root 3 and r to be root 3. So you substitute it. You have, in this case, you have 8 root 3, and this gives us equals to 2 times 8 will give us 16. Root 3 times root 3 will give us 3, multiplying by pi, and finally you have 48 pi cm squared, because 16 times 3 will give us 6 times 3 will give us 18. You write 8 carry 1. 3 times 1 will give us 3 plus 1, that will give us 4, and that's why we get 48 pi cm squared. So the curved surface area is equals to what? 48 pi cm squared. So this is the solution to the given questions. If you enjoyed this lesson, please the subscribe button to encourage me to bring more videos for your views. Like and share. Go to our website at www.manzananews.com/ebook and buy book in arithmetic processes and geometric processes. All these are treated in details with solutions. I believe you will do well when you get this book, because we have helped many students excel in their external and internal examination. If you enjoy this lesson, see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.